he's the best. He makes me smile, he's nicely dressed. I love him more than I can say. He brightens up my every day. He tells me jokes, both big and small. We laugh together, one and all. When we're alone, just him and me, it's always fun, as you can see. Oh, how I love my daddy dear. He brings me joy year after year. He gives me hugs and treats me kind, the best dad anyone could find. Oh, how I love my daddy dear. He makes me smile when he is near. My daddy is a friend to all. We walk together, proud and tall. Out on the street, I hold his hand, and everyone can understand. He's proud of me when I behave. I walk so nicely, strong and brave. He beams with joy when we go out. That's what my daddy's all about. Oh, how I love my daddy dear. He plays with me and brings me cheer. We laugh and jump and run around. With daddy, joy is always found. Oh, how I love my daddy dear. He's in my heart, forever near. To daddy I will give today a loving thought in every way. With all my heart I say thank you for all the special things you do. He teaches me both right and wrong. He helps me grow so smart and strong. And in my heart I always pray that love will guide him every day. Oh, how I love my daddy true, for all he is and all he'll do. I thank the stars and God above for daddy's never ending